gonna catch a fish with my mini ice cream cone. Come on, fishy, fishy, come on. Hey, Heidi. Oh, hi, Zidane.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just fishing in our pool.
There's no fish in the pool, Heidi. Don't be silly.
Oh, I feel something, Zidane. I feel something.
What? You do?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, Heidi, fish, fish, fish! Whoa! It's a shark!
It's a shark!
Pull it out, Heidi! Wow! That's so cool! Heidi, pull it out!
It's heavy, Zidane. Help me.
All right. Whoa! You caught a shark, Heidi!
That's so cool.
Whoa! You caught a shark!
That's so cool.
How?
I don't know.
Whoa!
It's so big.
Whoa! That's so cool.
I told you, Zidane.
Yeah!
Hi, shark. Do you want to be my best friend?
Wow, Heidi, you're so lucky.
Oh, thanks, Zidane. Let's go sharking. Let's go have some fun.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Oh, Heidi's so lucky. I want to catch myself a shark with this mini cake. All right, here we go. All right, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. All right, sharks. Come out, come out. Oh, I feel something. Whoa, I caught a fish. It's not a shark, but it will do. Yay! Wow, I caught a fish. You want to be my best friend? All right, let's go.
All right. I hope you're hungry, shark, because I got some ice cream. We have grape and apple. All right, so which ones do you want? What about both? Let's put you green apple first. And now, grape. I love grape and green apple. Last scoop. Perfect. Here you go, shark. Heidi, guess what? I caught a fish. Wow, Zidane, a fish. That's so cool.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, it's super cool.
Yeah. I love it. It's so cute. Well, I'm just trying to feed my shark some ice cream, but I don't think she likes it.
Heidi, I think the fish and the shark need to go back to the water. I think they want that.
Yeah, maybe you're right, Zidane.
All right, let's go bring it in the water.
All right.
All right, let's go. Come on, Heidi.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, Heidi, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Say goodbye to your shark, and I'll say goodbye to my fish.
Goodbye, shark.
Goodbye, fish. It was nice catching you. Go
You're
home
still
now.
gonna be my best friend.
3, 2,
Ever.
1, go! There they go. Look at them
Yay.
swimming.
Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this video thumbs up, like, share, subscribe.
Bye, and see ya.